This propeller design could make your boat faster, quieter, and more maneuverable. Sharrow Marine's propeller technology can eliminate tip cavitation and vortices by using a unique blade shape and a special coating on the blades. The toroidal blade shape creates a more gradual pressure drop to prevent the water from bubbling and evaporating, while the coating ensures that the water flows smoothly around the blades to reduce friction and prevent the formation of vortices. Compared to conventional propellers, Sharrow models are reportedly more efficient. They provide up to 30% more thrust and up to 30% greater range, as well as up to 10 miles per hour faster speeds at the same engine